In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best True Classic discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for True Classic discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Simply Codes, and as you can see right here, you have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So if you want to get this 10% discount right here, all you need to do is just select the button where it says your code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy from this button, and you can apply the promo code so that you can get a 10% discount of your next order. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Retail Me Not, and right here we have a list with other promo codes that you can use in order to get some benefits. So let's say that you want to get this 10% discount right here and the free shipping. All you need to do is just select the button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.